Hello all. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Am I audible?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So, hi everyone. This is Bindu. So today we are going to take a first demo session on data structures and algorithms. My voice is not good. Okay. So please adjust. So here today is the first session, right? Okay. So first of all, before getting into the actual topics, right? First of all, let's discuss some basic things, isn't it? Like what exactly is the data structures and algorithms? Okay. So what you are expecting from this course? Okay. What we people are providing in this particular course? Okay. So everything we'll discuss it and then we'll enter into the actual subject. Got it? What is the syllabus? Okay. So this course is for 3 months. Got it? So first 2 months, we are going to concentrate on all the theoretical concepts and programs that are related to the data structures and algorithms. And last 1 month, we are totally concentrating on solving all the problems which are there in HackerRank and Lead Code. Got it? So that is what our actual motto. I'll discuss everything very clearly about what is the syllabus, how we are going to cover, what are the topics that we are going to cover, okay? And everything I'll explain it to you. So first of all, before getting into our subject, let me just clarify some things from you. Okay. How many of you people are from non-IT background? Yes. Okay. You can unmute yourself and you can say also no problem. Okay. Or else you can raise your hands or else you can use the chat box also to reply for my answers. Okay. So nowadays, everyone's main motto is to get into the product-based companies, to get a job in product-based companies. Isn't it or not? Everyone's requirement is that one only, right? Yes or no? That's why this data structures and algorithms is playing a very vital role nowadays. Is it clear? Got it or not? Okay. So, okay, only 3 members raised here. So all are from IT background only. Fine. That is good. And how many of you people are employees who are working already in different MNCs? Okay. Yes. Okay. So almost 13 to 14 people raised their hands. Okay. Very nice. So remaining all are students only, right? Isn't it? You are still pursuing your BTech or MCA or MTech or whatever it is. Isn't it? Okay, fine. So this is what I just want to know. And one more important thing I just want to get it from you people, like what you are expecting from this course. Yes. Generally, you will be having some, some things will be there, right? When you are joining for a particular course, compulsory, you look for something into that course. That means you should get this one from this class, or we should get this one from this class. Like that, you'll be having some things, right? Okay. What you are expecting from our course? Problem solving skills. Very nice. Yes. Yes. Real use cases.
Understand the math.
Sorry.
Understand the mathematical foundations that are required for, the time
Yeah.
complexity and all those things.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, problem solving and cracking the coding interviews. Yes.
Like understanding what data structure to use when the use cases for those.
Okay. Okay, fine. Very nice. Real-time practice. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So finally, everyone is telling like you should improve your coding skills, solving skills, and to crack the interviews for big tech companies, isn't it? That is what our final motto, isn't it? Yes. So of course, how much strong we are in other technologies like Java or Spring Boot or microservices or whatever it is, but compulsory, if you want to crack the product-based companies, big tech interviews, compulsory almost in 6 to 7 rounds of interview, 4 to 5 rounds will be on data structures and algorithms only, isn't it? So that doesn't require much knowledge on all of the frameworks and all. This is totally different. Got it? So I will tell you now. So I got info from you what you are expecting from our course. Let me just introduce my class. Okay. Yes, Prakash. I'll tell you, Prakash. Yes, Prakash is asking like, okay, where this DSN algorithms is going to implement it. Yes, yeah. So for all your questions, I'm going to provide you the answers today. Got it? So first of all, let's get into the topic of what we are going to cover, what we people are going to provide it to you. I mean, in this course, what we are providing, what concepts we are going to cover here. Okay, what is the course duration for that? After completion of this course, or what you are going to do, like everything, I'll explain it to you very clearly. Okay, myself, I'm also working as a backend developer, Java developer, and along with that I'm a trainer where my core subjects are this C, C++, Java, Python, and data structures and algorithms. Like implementing data structures and algorithms in all of these programming languages is my, I mean, these are my core subjects. Okay, fine. So let's get into our syllabus actually. Fine, this is the 3 months course actually, 3 months duration. Okay, so in the first 2 months, right? Actually, first of all, I'll tell you what is data structure and algorithm. What is data structure and algorithm generally? Data structure, that means what? You are organizing some data in a particular way so that you can access and you can modify that code in an efficient manner. Got it or not? Yes or no? Are you clear or not? Okay. Data structure means what actually? You are going to organize the data, okay, so that that can be accessed and that can be, I mean, what you can say, you can access it in a very organized way. Got it? So let me explain some more details about this data structure and algorithm. We have different type of data structures and algorithms available, like stacks, queues, linked list, okay, trees, graphs, like this. Got it or not? So why do we need all these data structures? Got it? So basically, there are different ways of storing data in our computer, isn't it or not? There are different ways. Got it? So that means what? Say example, I just want to store organizing data in a specific manner. Exactly. Yes. So that means what? Say example, I'll tell you. Someone asked, what is where you are going to use this data structures for implementation purpose. Got it? So let me take some examples, a real-time use case. I mean, real-time examples, I'll tell you. Generally, in our day-to-day life, we'll be using different data structures. Like, generally for logging into this course, right? Yes, you'll be using the browser support, no? Yes, so you'll open a browser. Okay, there you will type Ashok IT. Okay, and it will opens our official website, and there you'll register with your course. Now you have some user ID and password, you'll be giving that, and you have a Zoom link. With that Zoom link, you'll log in into our course. Yes or no? When you click on the back button, there, obviously what exactly happens? Whichever the page has opened last will be closed first. Yes or no? Whichever the page has opened last will be closed first. This is known as LIFO strategy. Last in, first out strategy, nothing but stack. Got my point or not? Okay. And next one is what? Every day in our day-to-day life, whether we go to bank or whether we go to vaccination centers or wherever it is, you will be forming the queues, no? Yeah, Prakash. Very simple, Prakash. I'll tell you. This is what our what you can say browser, no? You want to log in into this course. What you will do? So first of all, you will type like this. I'll show it to you. So you will be typing like this, Ashok IT. Okay, after clicking this, you are clicking this one, and after that you will choose this particular thing. Okay, now what I am doing here, I am pressing this back button. Yes or no? Whenever I press this back button, whichever the page has opened last will be closed first. Yes or no? This is the page that was opened last. This will be closed first. You'll be going back. Got it? This concept, we can call it as a stack, LIFO strategy, last in, first out strategy. Isn't it or not? LIFO, last in, first out strategy. I am just giving you an overview of all the data structures now. I'll get into the syllabus that what we are going to cover in this course, and I'll explain you in these 3 months of course what we are going to do. That entire thing I'll explain it to you. Please don't log off in the middle. Okay, attend for the demo sessions, all the demo sessions properly. Got it? Then you can decide whether you want to continue this course or not. Got it? And from here, any of the people attended for my Java interview questions, YouTube live classes last weekend, Saturday and Sunday, from any of you here, whoever have joined? Yes, Pranav. Okay, Pranav, 4 people raised. Yeah. So last weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I have conducted 200 plus Java interview questions, 4 Java interview questions and answers. Okay, that I have taken a YouTube live program. Got it. So yesterday only I got one thing, and one student also joined for my core Java module 1 session in Java full stack development in yesterday. Okay, he said like he cracked the first round of interview and he is getting into the second round of interview. He asked me to take the Java features also, okay, for interview purpose. I said no, that day we are going to take Java new features as well as this generic concept and JVM. All these interview questions we are going to discuss on next Saturday at 10 a.m. You know that, right? YouTube live will be also there. Okay, and I will provide those 2 links to you also. You can go to official YouTube channel like Ashok IT. There you will see my 2 classes on Saturday and Sunday. Continuously we have taken a session, so you can go through that also for your reference, which will be helpful for you people as well as for others also, whoever is looking to crack the interviews or to switch from one company to another company. Got it? In the same way only, the same way of dedication will be there for this particular data structures and algorithms also. Okay, I am taking these sessions from long years. Got it? And coming to this, okay, just I'll give you an overview of all of the data structures and I'll get into the actual syllabus, that what we are going to cover and what we are going to do, what are the problems that we are going to solve it in these 3 months of data structures and algorithms course. Okay, so let's just concentrate. Don't log off in the middle of the session. This is my sincere request. Got it? Fine. Web browser. Okay, I said no. So LIFO, web browsers follows what? LIFO strategy, last in, first out strategy. Got it? This is nothing but what? A stack. Yes or no? No. Every day in banks, okay, or in vaccination drives also, wherever you go, okay, you will be forming a queue, right? You will be forming a queue, right? So this follows what? FIFO strategy. FIFO strategy means what? Queue. First in, first out strategy. Yes. So queues, this is nothing but a data structure that is known as a FIFO. Okay, first in, first out strategy. Next I'll tell you Google Maps. Yes, if you want to travel from one place to another place, this is the only solution for us. One and only solution for us, isn't it? Google Maps. This internally uses the concept known as graphs. Got it or not? So we'll be giving the destination location and the source location also, right? So that means what? Here it internally uses the graphs data structure. Got it or not? Every vertex we can call it as a cities, and so there are so many ways are there, isn't it or not? So if you want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore, there may be a lot of ways, right? It will choose us a shortest path from this. Got it or not? So here in Google Maps, we are going to use a data structure known as what? Graphs. Got it or not? And the next one is, so take the trees concept. Okay. So every time, actually, when you open, this PC, right? You'll be seeing a file explorer, no? You'll be seeing a file explorer, right? Yes or no? Which will follows what? Tree data structure. See, if I open like this, you'll be seeing like this, no? Yes. Like this, no? So this is known as what? Tree data structure. It will internally use as the tree data structure. Next, so coming to the music players. Okay, so this music player, say example, sometimes no, you will be playing only, only in forward direction. Sometimes you will play both in forward as well as in backward direction. Yes or no? Got it or not? And moreover, sometimes, say example, some songs you wanna listen. Yes, you wanna repeat it again and again. Then you will just click on, you will select all the songs that whatever you wanna listen again and again. Okay, so automatically you will use this what repeated module on, isn't it or not? So this follows. I'm telling you, I'm just comparing here. That is nothing but a single linked list, okay, a doubly linked list, okay, and a circular linked list. Got it or not? So likewise, in our day-to-day life also, we are working with data structures only. Understand my point or not? So if you know, you will be booking a lot of tickets, right? Ticket booking apps are there, no? Ticket booking apps are there. Like, sometimes we will book the tickets like movie tickets or bus tickets or flight tickets or something. So what you will follow, actually, if you want to book a movie ticket, what you will do, you will select a row and you will select a column. That is nothing but 2D arrays, ma. Got it or not? Understand? So like this everywhere. See, this single linked list is only one directional. Okay, we can go only in one direction. Got it or not? And coming to this doubly linked list, it will go bi-directional. That means bi-directional navigation is possible. Coming to this circular linked list, here will be going, at the end. Got it or not? There is no end point, because the last song, after, say, once you reach to the last song, right, immediately it will place the first song. Got it or not? That is nothing but a circular linked list. Got it or not? So everyone will feel like data structures and algorithms is a very difficult task and very difficult subject. Don't think like that. It is very, very easy and very awesome subject. Got it or not? I'll surely tell you, this is not a programming language at all. This is a concept. Got it? You are going to implement this concept using any of the programming language. Like it can be a C language or C++ or Java or Python. Even if you go for the company also, they will just provide a question and they don't ask you to solve this in a particular language. That is totally your wish. You can provide the answer for that problem in any programming language. Got my point or not? This is a concept. We are going to implement this concept using any programming languages. Got it? But data structures and algorithms using Java is very, very easier when compared to data structures and algorithms using C and C++. Some people will say like, madam, everyone is looking for data structures and algorithms using C++. Yes, of course. But here what I am going to tell you is, because when you people are working on Java, got it, when compared to that C and C++, this is very much easier. Got it or not? And so for learning these data structures and algorithms also, the main prerequisites are the basic knowledge of core Java is enough. Got it or not? So if you want to learn these data structures and algorithms, there are no big prerequisites like you should complete Spring Boot, Hibernate, microservices, web services, SOAP, RESTful. No, nothing. Just the basics of core Java is enough for you to learn these data structures and algorithms using Java. Got it or not? Understand? So this is what just an introduction I gave you about the data structures and algorithms. You may ask one question. Got it? See, Bindu, what you can say, in Java also we have collections framework. Yes or no? So in Java also we have collections framework. In collections framework, we have a lot of classes, like we have a stack class, we have a linked list class. Got it? We have a doubly linked list class. Okay, so doubly linked list class, we have a vector class. Okay, we have a hash map class. Okay, like this, so many things are available now. Then what exactly the difference between this collections framework and the data structures and algorithms using Java? Do you got this doubt, students? Yes. Yes, do you got this doubt? Because if you go for core Java, okay, in this, the main important concept is collections framework only. Got it? In the java.util package, we have this collections framework. All the collections framework related classes, interfaces, everything is available. Yes. So is there any difference between these collections framework classes and data structures? You may get this doubt, right? When the already predefined classes are there in collections framework, why we need to again go for these data structures and algorithms? I'll tell you the difference. Do you got this doubt or not? Please let me know. Yes, the stack class is already available in Java, no? Already predefined stack class is there. In that predefined stack class, we have push method, we have pop method, we have peak method. Like this, all the methods are already available, no? That is a predefined class what JavaSoft people has already provided for us. We can directly import that package, java.util package into our course, into our program, and we can use the predefined class. Got it or not? We can use the predefined class and we can use all these methods directly. So then what makes difference between these data structures and algorithms and this collections framework? Simple, I'll tell you. Here, some years back, the way of asking questions in companies is different. Like they'll be asking like, what is collections framework? How many main core interfaces are there, like list, set, queue, and map? And what are the implementation classes that interface is going to implement? Like if you go for list now, it is going to implement array list class, like linked list class, vector class, stat class, and coming to the set now, hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. These are all the implementation classes for that. Okay, like this will be explaining, and they'll be asking this type of questions. But now it is changed. That means what? Here, the predefined class what scientist has provided, okay, they are asking what are the methods that are available in that class, which method is used for what purpose. This entire code is provided by scientist only, isn't it or not? Yes or no? But generally in Java, we have a sort method available in the arrays class. Okay, in the arrays class, we have sort method available. If you go for C language or C++, you should write, if you want to sort a particular elements, you should write a big algorithm. Yes or no? You should write some 20-30 lines of code for doing that sorting process. Yes. But here in Java, we have a direct sort method available in the arrays class. You can use this sort method, and for this sort method, I will provide the array name, whichever I want to sort. Directly, it will sort all the elements present in that array. It will provide the solution. How is it doing? Internally, it is using the quicksort algorithm. Got it? If you go for searching algorithms, like, linear search and binary search is there. If you go for C language, there you should write an algorithm for that linear search and binary search. Yes or no? But whereas when you come to Java, here we have one method available that is known as binary search method. To this binary search method, I'll provide an array and I'll provide the element that whatever I want to search. In this array, it will search us whether this element is available or not. If it is available, it will provide the index number. If it is not available, it will provide the position as a negative number. How is it doing? Internally, it is using that algorithm. Got it? So here, what the scientist has provided, directly we are using those methods. But here, we are only creating the algorithms. You are directly using the push method, but you don't know how that method is working and how it is taking our element and storing into the stack. That you don't know, right? Yes or no? That push algorithm, you are going to write it here. Algorithm is nothing but a step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem. Got it? Algorithm is nothing but what? A step-by-step procedure to solve a particular problem. Okay, so we know how to use a push method here, but we don't know what exactly is happening in that push method to insert. Say, as a user, I'll provide an element. Whenever I provide an element to the push method, that push method is going to store that element into the stack. But I don't know what exactly is happening inside that push method. No. Yes or no? How that method has written by the Java developers like James Gosling, I don't know, right? That we are going to learn it here. Okay, how this push method works. What is the algorithm you are using here? How you should write that algorithm. Entire thing you are going to learn here. Got it or not? Understand? Okay, if you go for linked list class, internally this linked list is using the doubly linked list concept. What is doubly linked list? How you are going to do that algorithms? I mean, here in our course, we people are going to write the algorithms for every task, for every operation that you are going to perform. Understand or not? Okay, so choosing a right data structure plays a vital role which will impacts on the efficiency and performance of an application. Got it or not? So developing an application is not a matter. So see, developing a performance wise and efficiency wise, it should be very good, isn't it or not? You should develop that type of application. There this data structures plays a vital role, because almost all of the applications are dependent on data only. How effectively, how much, see, in an organized way, how you are organizing your data, that plays a vital role for these data structures and algorithms. Okay, so in this data structures and algorithms, we are going to learn that how to choose a data structure, which algorithm should be chosen for this particular purpose. If you want to develop an application, which algorithm gives best performance, okay, and best efficiency. Okay, so writing an algorithm is not a matter, but writing an efficient means what, madam? Efficient means what? Time and space wise. Okay, which algorithm takes less time and less space, that will impact on the performance of the algorithm. Got it? So that you are going to learn in this data structures and algorithms course. Got it? So these are the topics that we are going to cover. Actually, I'll show you 1 minute. So this is what our every trainer will explain it in their own way. That is the first thing, I believe. Yes or no? Every trainer's way of teaching will be different. Yes. So coming to me, right? So this is the actual syllabus that our what you can say, Ashok IT website they placed. Got it? But my syllabus is totally different. Got it? So this pattern printing programs and this arrays related programs, fundamentals of arrays programs, and this fundamentals of matrices programs, all these things, fundamentals of mathematics programs, all these things, these are all very, very simple programs. Okay, compute a power b, factorial, nth Fibonacci, sum of first and natural numbers using recursion. Okay, all these things are very simple programs. This I am going to cover. Generally, I'll be covering all these things in the core Java itself. Got it or not? Okay, in core Java itself, we'll practice all the hacker rank and lead code programs. Got it? But they have mentioned here, I'll cover all these programs in the first days, 1 week of sessions. Okay, got it? And then actual programs are totally different, that I'm going to explain you now. Okay, so ours is 3 months of course actually. Got it? In this 3 months of course, what we are going to cover, I'm going to explain you here. So in the first some days, like 2 to 3 days, right, I'll cover the basics of Java. Like I'll just give you an overview, not much. Got it or not? I'm surely telling you not much, but these concepts are enough to learn the data structures and algorithms. Got it? Like just overview of arrays, overview of recursion, all these notes I'll provide it to you. Got it? And then we will jump into this data structures concept. Got it? And here in these data structures, right, we are going to cover the stacks concept, which is the first topic in data structures. Got it? And here you can implement these data structures using arrays. This stack, any data structure, you can represent it in 2 ways. One is array representation, another one is a linked list representation. Okay, that's why I will tell to my students that focus more on arrays concept in core Java. Yes, because there are some drawbacks for these arrays. Because of that reason only we move to the linked list. Got it or not? So this stats I'm going to represent it using array representation as well as linked representation. In this we will write a live coding. Got it? So what are the operations this stack consists of? Obviously, push operation is there to insert an element, pop operation is there to remove an element, peek operation is there to find the top element of the stack, is empty, is full operations are there, and display is there, counting number of elements is there. Yes or no? So size, find counting is the thing, but size. Got it. So these are all the operations that you are going to perform on stack. For all these, first what I will do is I'll provide you the what exactly is the stack, what are the application areas where you are going to use the stack, and then we will discuss about the algorithms. You know, algorithm plays a vital role. Got it or not? Algorithm plays a vital role. If you know the algorithm, yes, you can implement that in any programming language. That just a matter of changing the syntax. Yes or no? You can implement these data structures and algorithms in any of the programming language based on your choice, like C or CPP or JavaScript or Java or Python or PHP, C#, any language you can use it. That's just a matter of changing the syntax itself, isn't it or not? Yes. So here, what mainly plays a vital role is learning an algorithm. Okay, that I'm focusing more here. Okay, so we are going to first write the algorithm, and then based on that algorithm, I'll implement the program in Java. Got it? If you know algorithm, writing a Java program takes not less than just 2 to 3 minutes. Got it? But if you don't know the algorithm, it will take more time, right? Got it? Understand? So that is what I'm going to do it here. First, I'll implement those operations, whatever this, if you take the stack data structure, it is almost performing, it will be having 7 operations. For all those 7 operations, we'll write the algorithms and then we will implement it using array representation and linked list representation. Okay, fine. In the same way for queues also, and for circular queues also. Got it? And we have a double-ended queue also. So this follows a LIFO strategy, last in, first out strategy. Queue follows a FIFO strategy. Just now I said first in, first out strategy. Circular queues, you know, the last element will be continued with the connected with the first element. Double-ended queue means in both sides you can insert, in both sides you can delete. Okay, so both side insertion and deletion is possible in double-ended queues. Here also we have 2 types of queues available, like input restricted DQs and output restricted DQs. In the input restricted DQs, input will be restricted, but output you can do it in both sides. Like that same way here, output restricted DQ also. So without knowing all these concepts, okay, everyone's requirement is what actually I'll tell you. Madam, my main intention is I should solve not less than minimum 100 to 200 programs in HackerRank and LeetCode. But you are forgetting to concentrate on learning these algorithms. Without knowing these algorithms, without writing a proper programs here, how can you go and implement the real world examples which are there in LeetCode and HackerRank? It is not at all possible, right? First, learn this concepts, learn the algorithms properly, implement that algorithm using all those operations. For all those operations, whatever the algorithms you wrote now, write it as a program and then go for the other examples, real-time use cases. Got it? So directly going and see, if you open a LeetCode, when you see the program, if we are unable to answer for that, we'll think like, hey, what is this? I'm not getting. No, actually, the way of learning data structures and algorithms is totally different. That you should learn. First, learn the topic, concept. First of all, understand the algorithms. Okay, so first thing is that one, understand the algorithms, then implement that algorithms in a program, and then go for the LeetCode or HackerRank to solve the problems. Then every program you will get it for sure. I'll surely tell you what they are doing in the LeetCode. I'll tell you in this linked list, almost some 10 to 12 operations are there. Like I will tell you, create a list. Okay, let me just 1 minute. I'll show you here itself. I'll show it to you. Okay. So if you take a linked list, right, what are the operations that are there? You will create a linked list. Okay. After that, you will find the size of a linked list. Okay. After that, you can insert in an empty list. Okay. And next, what? Inserting, insert in, insert as a, insert an element at the first. Okay, the same thing, insertion at end. Okay, and insertion in any position. Okay. And then insert before. Okay. Insert after. These are insertion operations. Got it. In the same way, we have deleting a node. Only one node is there. Deleting an element, deleting first node, deleting last node, delete a node in any position, whatever it is. These are the different operations that you are going to perform. And sort the linked list, merge to linked list. What they are doing in LeetCode or HackerRank, they are giving every single operation as a program. But in our course, what we are doing, after explaining all these algorithms to you, we are writing this entire thing as a single program. Understand my point or not? So that means when you write a single program, you are in a position to answer for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, almost 12 to 14 problems in LeetCode or HackerRank. You check it out. For inserting an element at the first position, they have one program. There is a program in LeetCode or HackerRank. Insert at end, one program is there. Insert before, one program is there. Insert in any position in a linked list, one program is there. Sorting a linked list, one program is there. Merging two linked lists, one program is there. Got my point or not? But what I am doing here, I'm just explaining all these algorithms in a single thing. Okay, I mean, first I'm going to explain you the linked list concept. Then we'll learn all these algorithms. We will implement it as a single program. Once you know this single program, you are in a position to answer for 14 programs in that competitive coding platforms. Got it or not? Okay, so that is what our things. And next one is what? So linked list, after covering the single, double, circular and sorted linked list, we have the trees, which plays a vital role, like pre-order, in-order, post-order, level order. For all these four, in HackerRank, if you search, for every order, right, they had written a single program, separate program is there. Okay, solve pre-order. Okay, so all these elements using pre-order. So all these elements using construct a tree using post-order. Okay, construct a tree using in-order. Like that they have mentioned. But we people are, what we are doing here, we are writing the algorithms for all these techniques, traversal techniques, and we are writing it as a single program here. Got it? Understand? After trees, right, we will go for the binary search trees. Heaps, searching algorithms, we have linear search and binary search. So many sorting algorithms are there, but in our course, right, these are all the sorting algorithms that we are going to cover. Okay, and one more thing also I should include here, calculation sort. Okay, I'll explain you every sorting technique in the further sessions. Recursion, you know, recursion plays a vital role. Okay, in any data structures, whatever it is, all the recursion related programs, almost some 15 to 16 programs are there. Got it? General programs I'm talking about, not related to LeetCode or HackerRank. Generally, in our course, from 15 to 16 programs are there, like Fibonacci series, factorial program. Okay, sum of n natural numbers using recursion, like this, then Euclid's algorithm, like GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay, Tower of Hanoi problem. Like this, so many recursion concepts are there. Recursion basic programs, those are all. Okay, I'm not telling like those are very difficult to programs. Those are all basic programs. All those 15 to 16 basic programs will solve it in our course in recursion. Got it? Next one is hashing techniques. We have so many hashing techniques available, like closed hashing, open hashing, like this. Okay. And we have the graphs concept like BFS and DFS, which plays a vital role. And then we have tries, AVL trees, threaded binary trees, B trees, expression trees, and shortest path algorithms. Okay, so minimum spanning trees, and these are all the algorithms actually, backtracking algorithms, string algorithms, greedy, divide and conquer, dynamic programming. So without dynamic programming, no data structure concept will end up. Got it or not? So these are all the things that we are going to cover in our entire course. Okay, every algorithm. So I will surely tell you, like, by completing this course, every algorithm should be registered in your brain. Got it or not? So in the same way, I will also follow the same strategy to learn all these algorithms. Got it? Generally in the earlier days, right? So the same thing I'll follow here also. And coming to this 3 months of course, right? First 2 months of course, we are concentrating on to discuss about all these topics and to provide the algorithms and implement those algorithms using Java. Okay, we are going to write the programs for that. And then what you can say, coming to this last month. Okay, so first 2 months we will complete this entire thing. Last 1 month, right, we are focusing on solving the leak code problems or hacker rank problems. Almost some 100 to 150 problems we are going to solve it in our course. Got it or not? Every program, these are all the dynamic programming programs, problems that we are going to solve it. I'm not telling like compulsory I'll solve all the programs that are there in lead code. Some thousands of programs are there. We can't do it at all. It requires some 1 year to 2 years of struggle to solve entire programs. But very frequently asking programs in the companies, right? All those things will be covering in our course. Got it? This document also I'll provide it to you. Okay, so in dynamic programming, we are going to cover this triangle program as asked by Facebook, Amazon, Google, Microsoft. So many companies have asked, right? So depends on that. Very frequently asking lead code problems. I mean, like on dynamic programming, or else it can be what you can say graphs programs or anything, whatever it is, right? So we are going to cover some 100 to 150 problems in our course. In the last 1 month, entire last 1 month, we are focusing on only the programs. Got it? Solving every program in our class. Got it or not? So this is what our course will be. Okay, all the 3 months of session will be going on like this. And let me explain some introduction about the data structures to you people. Okay, before going further, right? So do you have any questions to ask? So that otherwise, can I start my class? Do you have any questions to ask regarding this course and all?
What would be the daily class timings?
8 to 9:30.
8 to 9:30. Will you provide any recorded videos?
Yes, of course. In our site, once you registered, what you can say, in our site, no, once you register into that, right, into this course, now you'll be getting a username and password, right? So
No, I'm part of JFSDK. I know that. I'm just confirming whether we would be
yeah,
given
backup videos
videos.
will be provided. Backup videos will be provided. That is available for you for 6 months.
Okay, so yeah, understood. And regarding the time complexity and all those things, you would be
Yes.
covering them?
Yes, I have opened already that document. Okay, so I'll explain all the time complexities and space complexities also, and how efficiently you should answer for that time and space complexities when you are, I mean, suddenly, say example, if I provide one program to you, some 5 to 6 lines of code, right? Yes, you immediately I'll ask you what is the time complexity for that and what's the space complexity, and we have big O notations. Everything I'll explain it to you in the tomorrow session. Got it? That
Okay,
is what
and
I'm going to. I mean, in the demo session itself, I'll be taking a random concepts. Like tomorrow, I'm going to focus on this time complexities and space complexities. What exactly is the big O notation? Okay, so how to solve? I mean, these are all the normal time complexities that we are using, right? In which situation we'll say like it is the O of 1 time complexity. In what situation you'll say like O of n time complexity, you'll get it. Okay, so everything I'll explain it to you in our course. Yes.
okay, and will you cover any mathematical this thing, or what's the prerequisite for DSA you would advise, that
That means your mathematical related programs and all.
no, the mathematical like foundation sort of thing
No,
that's required basic knowledge.
basic knowledge in the sense, no, not yet. When you go on solving the problems itself, we'll get an idea. It's not like that.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Those were my questions.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. And these are all the basic questions that we are going to cover in our course. Okay, so that means what within I said no. First, I'll give you just overview of that core Java topics that which are required to learn these data structures and algorithms. Just an overview, because I hope you people are already know this Java, and then only you'll enter. You'll come for this data structures and algorithms course, right? Yes. So all these questions also, these are all generally I'll cover all these programs in core Java itself. Okay, my core Java students itself will solve all these programs like pattern programs, arrays programs and all, matrices programs and all. But if you people, because they have mentioned here in the site, no, so I'll take just 2 to 3 days of time and I'll complete all these programs to you. Got it?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, please.
Ma'am, suppose I have a doubt on the topic at that time. can I ask you?
Yeah, sure. When I'm say example, tomorrow I'm going to take session on time complexity and space complexity. Okay, so I'll explain when I'm explaining some programs to you. What is the time complexity and space complexity? I'm telling you, you got it out, madam. How you got this? O of n square, you are telling the time complexity and space complexity. How you got it? I didn't understand. You can just tell me in the chat box so that I can repeat that again. Not an issue at all.
And what days is the class going to be? Is it Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday?
No, Monday to Saturday we have.
Okay.
Monday to Saturday we have. Okay, Sunday holiday. Generally, what we are going to do is in our institute, right? See, not every Saturday and Sunday, I'll tell you. Like very recently only we completed Java interview, core Java interview questions on Saturday and Sunday, right? So in the same way, we will conduct a free workshops on interview questions on Python, on data structures, okay? On other topics like core Java or advanced Java or Oracle, like that. Okay, so that is what the reason. And here also in our course also, we are going to cover that interview questions. Okay, theoretical interview questions is also important, not only problem solving skills, right? Okay, so if they ask you any question, you should be in a position to answer for that also, right? So theoretical interview questions will also be covered in our course. That's why I'm telling you, like, it will take 3 months of time to complete the course. First 2 months, we are going to concentrate on all the topics that are there in the data structures and algorithms. We'll practice all the algorithms, we'll implement the programs using those algorithms in Java, understand? And the last 1 month of time, we'll practice all the programs which are there in, I mean, not all the programs, I list out that list also, I'll provide it to you by tomorrow. Got it? So all those list, whatever I have provided, right, some 100 to 150 programs, all I will explain it according to the topic wise. See, I just now I have shown you, right, dynamic programming. If you solve these dynamic programming problems, right, these graphs programs, or see, not excluding, sorry, not including, ma, please make a note of that. First 2 months, we are writing programs, right? First 2 months, we are writing programs related to all of the data structures concepts. Yes or no? Excluding that, these programs, 100 to 150 programs. Excluding that, okay, not including, okay? That is topic-wise related programs we are implementing here. The algorithms that what you are going to write it for every data structure, that algorithms you are making it as a program here, okay? And separately we'll go for Lead Code, Hacker, and so many competitive coding platforms are there. No, we'll pick up the programs. I'll provide you that entire list to you. Whatever I want, I am going to cover in the next last 1 month of time, that I'll do it here. Okay, so practicing this many programs will give you a very sound knowledge in data structures, so that your brain will also think like that. The more you practice, the more you get the ideas, isn't it or not? Yes or no? Got it? So that is what the main thing we are going to do it in our course, ma'am. Got it?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Actually, ma'am, I am very weak in DS and LO. Okay.
Very
Weak, ma'am, weak.
Oh, no problem.
Ma'am, actually, I want to, ma'am, sometime back you explained Stack LIFO showing web browser, right, ma'am? And if you are teaching like this, ma'am, it's very beneficial for us.
Yeah, that's what you have seen my classes, YouTube live classes, okay? And I think you have attended for my Java full stack module 1 class also, demo sessions also, I think. So the same way, however, I'm explaining for the normal students, in the same way, I'm going to explain you here also, okay? So generally, Teja, the fee details are 7,000. Okay, only live classes you can attend for that. Okay, no backup videos will be provided, and it is 10,000 with backup videos. Okay, the fee details are that one. Okay. You can contact our admin, you can speak with them. Generally, the fee details I'm telling you. So other things you can speak with them. They'll tell you exact information about the fee details and all to you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. So I'll explain. No worries, Pankaj. I'll explain it from very basics. Got it? First, I'll give you the basics of Java. Just 1 to 2 days, we'll cover it. And then whatever in our site, no website, the basic programs are there, like pattern programs, arrays, fundamentals of matrices, and some mathematical related programs are also there, right? Yes. So all those things will be covered. Okay, in another 2 to 3 days. And then we will go for the recursion concept. Recursion is also one of the important concept. That recursion related programs, some 15 to 16 programs are there, that will be covered. Then we'll start the stacks concept. Okay, and don't miss tomorrow's session. I'll tell you in very easier way how to find out the time complexity and space complexity of a particular code snippet. Whatever may be the code snippet, yes, you should find out the time and space complexity in a very easier way. So that thing I'm going to explain it to you in the tomorrow session. Okay, any more doubts?
Will it be the same link?
It will be the same link for another 5 more days. After 5 days of session, right? Actually today is Wednesday, right? Thursday, Friday, and we have up to Tuesday, up to next Tuesday, right? The same link will be continued, and after that they are going to change. They are going to change the link. For 5 days, the same link.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Is there any reference? Suppose before we start the new topic, so some reference there we can the basic of the data structure we can check.
Yeah, you can. Actually, there is one book known as Classic Data Structures by Samantha D'Souza. Okay, so you see, that is a very nice book actually. So Robert Lawford is also there, but that is an academic book. I don't prefer that book for you people actually. Okay, so Classic Data Structures is a very nice book. Got it? You can go through that book. And one more thing is, see, for reference purpose, I mean you're asking for next session. Say example, I'm going to cover stacks concept for the tomorrow session. So for that you are asking, right, Pranav?
Yes.
Yeah. So for that, no problem. I'll provide you the notes for you people. First 5 topics, entire notes I'll provide it to you along with the algorithms and all. You can go through that and then come for the session. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this classic data structures by Debasis Samantha, is that in Java?
Yes. No. That is normal data structures and algorithms book.
Okay,
See,
trying to
that's what I'm
explain the
telling you.
concepts.
That's what I'm telling you. Data structures and algorithms is a concept that you can implement it in any language. Yes. So, but what I'm telling here is, if you learn that algorithm, that is a generic way. Classic Data Structures and Algorithms, Classic Data Structures by Samantha is a generic book that you can implement that algorithm in any programming language.
Got it.
Okay. Yeah. Any more doubts you have?
Ma'am, do you will provide notes of every topic?
Yes. All the backup videos will be provided, automatically uploaded into our website, as well as the notes will also be there in our website. Along with that, once all the demo sessions gets completed, right, we'll be creating a WhatsApp group there. Okay, here we will create a WhatsApp group. In that, I'll share you all of the notes, okay, the algorithms, the programs that what we are going to discuss in our classroom sessions, right? Everything along with the diagrams. Okay, data structures means obviously diagrams will be there, isn't it? So that all those things, everything I'll send it to you. Okay, but the only thing is, once one topic gets completed, we'll be picking up some programs, like 5 to 10 programs we'll be picking up, and you should practice all those programs. That, see, compulsory learning data structures doesn't give much knowledge. How much you practice, that much you get it. That's the final thing, right? So once arrays concept gets completed, I'll provide you all the programs. Try to practice all those programs. So if you are unable to answer for that, then we will discuss it in the classroom sessions. Okay. I think I cleared your doubt. Yeah. Lavanya, please.
Yeah, hi Bindu. Like, are we covering like bit manipulation top related and 2 pointers in data structures?
Okay, so that
Heap,
too.
yeah, bit
Heap, yes.
manipulation, heap concept as well as the bit manipulation related.
Manipulations, yes, yes. We
And
will
one more is
see,
like 2 pointers as well.
yes, 2 pointers also. See, I have given just normal headings, Lavanya. Okay.
Okay.
Just what are the topics that we are going to cover in the data structures and algorithms I have provided. But in-depth, I mean, subtopic wise concepts I'll be providing in the tomorrow session.
Yeah, it could be better actually. That's what we are looking. We are
Yeah,
hashing also you'll be covering, right? These topics.
Yes, I have mentioned, no, here hashing is there, right? So all the different type of hashing techniques we are going to cover here. Just headings I have provided here, but the subtopics also I'll provide it to you, no problem.
Yeah, okay. Okay, Bindu.
And under this algorithms concept also, whatever the programs that we are going to cover under this algorithms also I'll provide it to you, and that links also I'll provide it to you.
Yeah, okay, Bindu. Yeah,
Okay.
thanks for the clarification.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Actually, I'm very beginner of Java course. I'm from electrical background, but now I'm starting studying Java. Can I take this course? It
How
will be
much
comfortable
topics you
for the
have covered
beginner.
in core Java? I mean, have you completed your core Java course?
Yeah, 60% I have covered, and
That
still
means
I'm
that,
learning.
are you able to see my screen?
Yeah,
Okay, so are these concepts covered in your course already? Like up to
Yeah.
at least abstract classes and interfaces?
yes, ma'am. I have covered all those things.
Okay, strings?
I think, yeah, I have covered that.
This one actually no need. Okay, this one I'll place it here. Up to strings, is it covered? So then you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
okay. Then you are okay. So if you don't have this much of knowledge also on core Java, then so first of all, you should learn all these and then you come back for this course. If you know these concepts, okay, in core Java, then you can take this course. Data structures and algorithms, you can pick it up. Because without knowing Java knowledge, so you can't take this course.
Yeah.
That is what my suggestion actually. Got it.
Okay.
So, but the thing is, even though you have you know core Java, okay. So everyone who have joined for this course, everyone knows core Java, right? But the thing is, how much you know, I don't know, isn't it or not?
Yeah.
That's why for the first 2 to 3 classes, 2 classes mostly, within 2 classes, I am going to provide you an overview of all these concepts in my session, and then I will start data structures and algorithms.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, na? So that gives a brush up for you. Like you can just memorize all these topics that what you have covered or what you have learned earlier in your core Java course. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Any more doubts you have? Yeah.
Where
Okay.
can you download this syllabus?
Yes, of course, you can download that syllabus from our site. Okay, but this is not, that's what I said no already. All these things.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Whatever the course syllabus you have shown, where can we download that?
Yeah, that Lavanya asked right just now. She is looking for the topic. I mean, even subtopics also, right? Subtopics also, right? She is asking for. I have mentioned all the topics that what I'm going to cover in this course, right? But she is asking for subtopics also. That subtopics, everything I'll add it to you, and then I'll provide that Word document to you tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you.
So 2 documents I'll provide it to you. One for syllabus and subtopics, and one for problem solving. I mean, last 1 month of session, we are going to solve all these problems, right? So whatever the 100 problems that we are going to solve, all those problems, links, everything, I'll paste it in one Word document and I'll post it to you. This lead code problems, we'll see it on the last 1 month. So generally the syllabus that what I'm going to share it to you, right? That we will discuss it in our first 2 months of session. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And please don't miss tomorrow's session, because tomorrow I'm going to explain you what exactly is the data structure. You know, programming is nothing but data structures plus algorithms. What is an algorithm? What is data structure? The name itself telling, right? Data structure. That means what? See how you are organizing your data so that it can be accessed and modified in an efficient way. Got it? So algorithm means what? It is nothing but a step-by-step procedure. How you are going to solve your problem. Got it? For every problem, there is a solution. How you are going to solve that problem is nothing but an algorithm. That algorithm, you can write it in two ways. One in normal English, another one in by using the pseudocode, isn't it? So that entire thing, I am going to explain you tomorrow. Along with that, so within a fraction of minutes or fraction of seconds, how can you tell the time complexity and space complexity of a particular code snippet? I'll explain it to you in the tomorrow session. Okay, I'll give you a code snippet. You should be in a position to answer for that time and space complexity. That things we'll discuss it in tomorrow's session, ma'am. Okay, fine. Any other doubts you have? So
Yeah.
the videos will be provided in our website. Okay, notes will be uploaded and separate WhatsApp group will get created so that I'll keep in touch with you for clarifying all the doubts and all. Interview questions will also get provided. And last 1 month, entire first 2 months, theory as well as programs. And as well as last 1 month, we'll be focusing more on problem solving. Yeah, Meghraj.
Yeah, hi Bindu. I got in doubt like whom I'm gonna contact to proceed this course, because I just got an email confirming my registration, but I'm not sure like whom to contact.
1 minute, I'll just provide his number to you. His name is Vishwanath.
Okay, can you please send me in chat?
Yeah, 1 minute. I'm just sending you. Give me 1 minute.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm providing it to you here. 960365401117. His name is Vishwanath. Okay, so please contact him. He is the manager for this. Okay, so he'll take care of everything. So just contact this guy. So he'll explain you everything to you. Okay, backup videos will also be provided to you and live sessions will also be taken. So entire thing, course related details. Okay, everything he'll explain it to you. Meghraj.
Yes, sure. Yes, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. So everyone got his number, right? You can please call him if you want to inquire more about this course. And tomorrow I'll share the syllabus that what Lavanya asked, right? So that you can download it. I'll post it in this chat box so that you can get it. Okay. Yeah. Any other doubts you have? Generally, the class timings will be 8 to 9:30. Okay. And 8 to 9:15 will be taking the session. 9:15 to 9:30, I'll give you an option for you to clarify all your doubts. Okay, so that you can speak with me. You can clarify all the doubts that whatever you have. So earlier days, before days, if I had given any assignments to you, right, regarding that assignments, if you have any blocker to solve that particular problem, you can clarify that in that next 15 minutes of time. Got it?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, please, Prakash.
Ma'am, video will be accessible from last 3 months, na? When you completed this course, ma'am?
No, after the course completion, again 6 months.
Yes. It's fine, ma'am.
Yes, after course
Yeah.
completion, again 6 months, the videos will be available for you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so don't depend on videos. The first thing I'll tell you, attend for the sessions regularly. Okay, so here itself, your target is, if we don't have any backup video, what we will do? We'll attend for the session and we'll understand everything in the classroom itself, right? So nowadays we have backup videos. Earlier we don't have anything, no? Yes, so we should be concentrating in everything in the classroom itself, right? The same way you try to concentrate.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. So please attend for next Saturday, coming Saturday, I'm going to take an interview questions on Java, new features, generics and JVM concepts. That is a free session. YouTube live will be there. Tomorrow we'll share our WhatsApp and Telegram link. Join into that so that you can get notifications on free workshops also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm taking your core Java interview classes, ma'am. Previously.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much, Prakash. Yes. Anybody have any doubts? If you don't have any doubts, you can log off for the day. And tomorrow at same time, 8 o'clock, we'll take the session on time and space complexities. What exactly is the data structures and algorithms? What is an algorithm? How you solve a particular I mean, how you find out the time and space complexity within a fraction of minutes for any problem. Okay, that entire thing, what are the different time complexities and space complexities are there? What is a big O notation? Okay, we have 3 notations: big O, big theta, big omega. All those things will explain it. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can wait. Otherwise, you can log off. Yeah, please, Mohan.
The only reason for asking backup videos is like, attending regular sessions itself is very, difficult at late night. It's almost 11 for us. So data
Yes.
structures classes attending at midnight, 11 o'clock is like something bouncers. So, so it's like,
Oh, you
if
are
you
from
have,
US, right? Not from India, isn't it?
yeah. I
Oh,
mean,
sorry.
yeah.
Okay. I
So,
thought
the next day morning, you can go through those videos and be ready for the session. So that's the reason asked for the backup videos.
no problem, no problem. So we'll be providing. But generally, what students' mentality is, if they have backup videos, they don't attend for that. Generally, that is happening in some classes. See, what they'll do is, if they have backup videos, right, they don't attend for the sessions regularly.
Yes,
Because
true.
yeah, that is what the reason I said like that, Mohan. Don't take it in another way.
Yeah.
Sure, we have an option to get the backup videos also. Yes, so we'll provide it to you, and that will be available for you after course completion. Next 6 months, it will be there for you.
Yep. Thank you so much, Bindu, and looking forward for tomorrow's session. Thank you.
Sure.
Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bindu, I'm also like in the same boat as Mohan, logging in from US. So like how soon the videos get uploaded, because it is also like sometimes work calls or something.
Yes.
Also the classes might get interrupted.
Every day to day videos will get uploaded. Your name is not like it is
It
visible.
is Vijaya, so I was
Vijaya.
just
Okay, Vijaya. Actually, say once our session gets finished, right, by afternoon. Okay, so it is from 8 to 9:30. No, by afternoon or by evening, they'll upload the video into the website, Vijaya.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'll get back to you tomorrow by at what time, how much time they will take it for uploading the video into that site.
Oh, yeah, because Java full stack, it takes sometimes like 24 hours for the videos to come through.
Okay.
So that's
Yeah,
Okay,
Java
sure.
full stack has that problem.
Oh.
Yeah, like I try to catch up sometimes because it's in the morning time for us. So sometimes it collides with meetings. So it takes like 24 hours. I mean, it's understandable sometimes, but it's hard to catch up on the classes.
Yes, no problem.
It's
No
stand up parallelly along with the sessions.
Yeah, right. So I just give my stand up and then sometimes I hop back if I'm not needed there. So, so that sometimes that like 10 to 15 minutes link gets missed. So, but yeah.
No problem. Yeah, I'll get back to you tomorrow. So I'll inquire with this. Okay, how much time they'll take it to upload into the generally they said like they'll be uploading by afternoon or evening. So it will get uploaded, but I'll get back to you tomorrow. Okay, correct info.
Yeah. Thank you, Bindu. Looking forward to the class. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And please attend for the all demo sessions.
Yeah, I will. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Ma'am, how many demo sessions we are going to have?
5.
Not attending demo sessions, Bindu, enrolling. Thank you.
Oh, super. Thank you so much. And I am also looking for the same thing because, generally why you people are attending, everyone going to attend for the demo sessions means to understand how the trainer is going to explain, right? In one session, you can't understand how the trainer is, okay, how she is teaching, okay, the teaching skills, everything, right? So that you can't understand in 1 or 2 sessions, right? So that is what the reason I'll tell you, not only for you people, for everyone, I'll tell the same thing, like attend for all the demo sessions. Okay, so be regular for the class, then you will come to know like how the trainer is, how dedicated the trainer is, you will come to know, right? Yes, so that's what the reason I'll tell the same thing to every student. Yeah, sure. This will do it in a very good manner. Okay, hope all of you people will continue for my sessions. Okay, and yeah, someone asked like something asked Shashank, I think.
Yeah, ma'am, how many demo sessions we are going to have?
5 demo sessions, Shashank.
Okay, thank you.
After 5 demo sessions, they are going to change the link.
Okay.
Yeah. So tomorrow you will get the syllabus copies of 2. One is for programs and one is for this one. And time complexities and space complexities, we'll discuss it tomorrow. Any more doubts? If you don't have any doubts, you can log off, no problem. Otherwise, you can please stay.
Thank you, Bindu. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Vijaya. Thank you so much. Tomorrow is my interview. How can I get the tomorrow class? Is there any backup videos? Yes. Yes, you have. All the demo videos will be sent to your mail ID, registered mail ID. No problem. Even I will also provide that day after tomorrow when you attend for the session, right? So I'll provide you the last 2 demo session videos to you. The links I'll provide it to you. No problem.
Ma'am, hello.
Yeah, please, Prakash.
Ma'am, you will teach very fastly or slowly?
Slow. My talk is
No,
like that.
because I am
When
very
you
weak,
observe,
ma'am.
Prakash,
This is
I'll
first
repeat the
time.
same concept for. Yeah, please.
Ma'am, this is first time I am learning DS and Algona.
So I'm unable to hear your voice properly. Could
Actually,
you please?
ma'am, I don't know. This is first time I want to take a DS class and algorithm.
Okay.
And I am very weak in this subject, ma'am. That's why I want to ask if you teaching slowly.
Okay, I will teach very slowly because the YouTube live is different. This one is different, right? This is a course. Compulsory.
That's what, ma'am. There you are teaching very fastly.
Very faster, yes. Because we should cover 200 plus questions, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? So that's why that is just a recap. I mean, just brush up. I mean, if anyone is going for interviews, right? For their sake, we have just given an. I mean, all of the interview questions we have provided in 2 videos, right? But this is different, right? This is a course. Okay, so day-to-day course. That's why I'll teach it in a very slower manner so that even the I mean layman can understand these concepts. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can see that, Prakash, in tomorrow's session because we are going to explain that concepts, right? DS, time complexities, right? So then you can see.
Actually, ma'am, I am attending Ashok sir classes. Spring Boot, Microservices, and Core Java is completed, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I'll also explain in the same way. Okay, but that free workshops are different, Prakash. Okay, who will attend for that? Whoever have already finished Core Java, they will only attend for that interview questions session for just recapping all the concepts that what they had learned. Yes or no? So when they are going for the interview, just for brush up their skills. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. It seems to me you are teaching very quickly.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Prakash. Yeah. Thank you, Gurudatta. No problem. You will get the 2 backup videos. Okay. Day after tomorrow, you can join. No problem. All the best for your interview. Okay. So I hope you don't have any doubts, right? Okay.
Ma'am, how many questions? I mean, session we are going to have on time complexity.
First, tomorrow I'm going to give you an overview of this time and space complexities. Okay, and I'll explain you how to calculate the time and space complexities. Okay, and after the topic wise discussion will be there. Say example, when I'm discussing the stack concept, right? So on that stack concept, what for that stack, no, what is the time and space complexity? Topic wise time and space complexities will also be discussed along with that.
So by looking at a program, we will be able to, I mean, calculate how which has the more time complexity, which is taking, and
sure. After doing tomorrow's session, right? Yeah. I will ask you so many questions also tomorrow. After explaining that how to calculate the time and space complexity, I'll give you some programs to you so that you will only tell me that how, I mean, within just seconds, right? There are some shortcuts, right? So with that, we can calculate. Okay. So the time
Okay.
and space complexities that you can get it.
Right.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, time and complexity is implemented on the company's project.
Sorry.
Ma'am, time and space complexity, it is implemented on the company's project. Suppose, ma'am, I am working on a company
Okay.
on a company, and
Generally, when you
how
okay,
can
I
I see,
understand.
ma'am, how can I see this is the time complexity code implemented on this project?
This is the time. Oh, no. When you are developing the code itself, we should be very careful, right? See how much time it will take. Okay. So how much space it will take. Like that, we will calculate. When you're writing an algorithm, we'll calculate, right?
Okay, ma'am, one more question. Like if suppose we have to implement merge sort using multi-threading, so will you also be covering these topic like implementing merge sort using multi-threading and all these things?
Yes, merge sort. 3 programs we are going to cover in merge sort, like so sorting, merging 2 unsorted arrays, okay, 2 sorted arrays, and all these things will be discussed.
Okay.
Okay, not related to multi-threading, that I need to look into this, Shashank.
Okay.
I'll just go through that and I'll let you know tomorrow.
Thanks.
Yeah. So, yeah, ma. So we'll meet in the tomorrow session. Okay. Thank you so much for attending the demo session. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you, Lavanya. Bye.